Good day everyone. Today, I will be presenting to you the solution for problem number 11. Okay, let's start by answering first this. All the students in every class shouldn't have access to change any setting on their desktop. Okay, let's go to the Windows server. Let's go to the start menu. Go to the group policy management. Click, and then click for domains, the labroom.org. Click for group policy object, and then create a new object, group policy, and name it disable setting. Click OK. Then select the disabled setting. Right click, click edit. Go to users configuration. Click policies. Click administrative template. Click control panel. Then inside of the control panel, double click the prohibited access to the control panel. Next, click enable. Click apply and then OK. Next, click the display. Double click the display control panel. Then click enable. Click apply. Click OK. Next, let's close. Let's see if it is enabled. Go to the setting. We can see that is enabled. Okay, let's go to the computer room, computer laboratory room. Expand. Next, go to the section. Inside of the section, click section 1. Then click subject. Right click the subject, link an existing GPO, and then select the disabled setting. Click OK. Next, for section 2, right click the subject, link, and then disable setting. Next, for section 3, right click the subject, link, and then disable setting. For section 4, right click the subject, link, and then select disable setting. And for section 5, right click the subject and then link, click disable setting. For section 6, right click the subject, link, and then disable setting. For 7, right click the subject, link, select disable setting. Next, section 8, right click the subject, link an existing GPO, then select disable setting, then click OK. Let's refresh. Okay, let's close it, refresh, then Windows R, go for GPR update /4. Wait until it finish and then refresh. Let's go to the Windows client here. Let's log on for a user. Fresh. Let's go for the start menu, then type control panel. We can see that it display message. Okay. Next, let's go to the Windows server. Okay. let's solve the another problem here. The administrator wants the student to have their own user profile so that when they log in to their computer, the profile should be loaded including the college logo as desktop. Okay, let's go back to Windows Server. Go for the File Explorer. Go for Computer. Open the local disk. And then create a folder. Student profile. Then click enter. And then right click the student profile, go to the properties, click sharing, click advanced sharing, and then check the share this folder. Next, click the permission, remove the everyone, and then add for authenticated users. Then click OK. Then select full control, and then click apply. OK. Then OK. Now let's copy the network path. Ctrl C. Then click close. Let's go to the start menu and then go for Active Directory users and computer. Now let's select the section. For section 1, click the section 1 and then subject. Click for Cmpt 152. Select all users. Right click. Go to the properties and then profile. Click profile path and then paste. Then type for percent and then username, then percent, click. Let's copy it. Ctrl A, Ctrl C, then apply. Click OK. Now let's go to the next subject. Ctrl A, copy, go to the properties, go for profile and then paste, apply. Okay, let's see if it okay. Go to okay. Then next, let's go to the another subject. Let's select all the users, right click, go to the properties, then profile, check the profile path, face, then click for apply and then OK. Next, for MGT10, select all user, go to the properties, go for profile, select for profile path and then paste, then apply and then OK. Then click for MGT10, select all users, right click, go to the properties, profile and then profile path and then paste, click apply and then OK. And for the rest 01, select all users, go to the properties, profile path and then paste, next. Let's go to the section 2, then subjects. The process of inserting the profile path here on the section 2 to 8 is the same as the process of adding a profile path in the section 1. Let's Control A, right click, properties, go to the profile path, paste, apply, and then OK. Next, subject, Control A, right click, go to the properties, profile path, then paste, go to apply, OK. Next, subject, Control A, go to the properties, go for our profile, and then profile path, Control V, then apply, OK. Next, MGT10, Control A, all users, go to the properties, profile path, then paste, apply, and then OK. Next, MGT10, Control A, right click, properties, profile, paste, apply, OK. Next, for rest, Control A, right click, properties, profile path, paste, apply, and then OK. And then in the section 8, go for the subject, click for the CMPT subject 152, select all, right click, go to the properties, and then profile path, paste, apply, and then OK. Go to the next, Control A, go to the properties, profile path, and then apply, profile path, paste, then apply, and then OK. Next, Control A, right click, properties, profile, click, and then paste, apply, OK. MGT10, select all, right click, properties, profile path, and then paste, apply, OK. Next, MGT11, A, properties, profile, paste, apply, OK. For rest, select all, properties, profile path, then apply, then OK. Now let's refresh. Okay, let's close it. Let's click the network, click the server. We can see that the student profile is shared. Let's refresh. Now let's go to the Windows client. Let's log off first. Wait. Let's go back to the Windows server and let's update. Okay, successfully. Then go back to Windows 7, log in for the user. Now let's go for the File Explorer. Go for the server. We can see that the student profile is shared. Now let's try to change our background. Oh, we forget that the control panel is restricted. Let's add let's try to add a file, sample. Click OK, then refresh. Let's go back to the Windows server. Now let's try to see if the file we created on the client is here. This is the user. We log on and then click the desktop. We can see that the file we created earlier is here. Okay, let's close. Okay, next, the next problem is here. Okay, let's go back to the Windows server and then go to the start menu, go for group policy management. Okay, then click for group policy object, right click, create a new group policy, then type for display background. Click OK. Now let's select this display background, right click, go to edit. Now let's open the user configuration, click policies, go for administrative template, click for display desktop, and then click another desktop. Now select the desktop wallpaper, double click it, enable the file, enable the desktop wallpaper. Now let's go to the file explorer and then find the file we want to be background. Click the folder of the file, go to the properties and then click for sharing, go to share. We already add for everyone. Click for everyone and then select for read only, then share, then done. Copy the network path here, then Control C, click close. Then let's go back to the policy, paste here the path, Control V, and then click slash, then type the file name of the wallpaper, CIT logo. The file type is JPEG. Okay, let's go back to the group policy and then type for CIT space logo, then dot JPG, send for JPEG, then select this wallpaper style, click for fit, then apply, then click OK. Now let's go for Now let's close it. Go for GPM, then select computer laboratory room, then right click, link an existing GPO, then select the display background, click OK, and then let's refresh. Click. Now let's close, refresh, and then Windows R. Let's update. Click OK. Wait until we finish. Okay. Now let's go to the Windows client computer. Refresh, then let's click Windows R, then GP update. Refresh. GP update successfully. Let's try to log off another. Now let's click for the password. We can see that the background is changed. And it's set. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.